After you pry that up, squeeze it and pull it out. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. That one's a lot easier. This one right here. All right. This is a 2017 Dodge Journey. Okay, so now that I got all the injectors off, it's time to take the clips off. So what I do with these clips, I spray a little bit of this stuff on there, A2-205 reseal, and that helps them stop from breaking. You know, you're not gonna prevent all of them from breaking, but some of them. And they slide out a lot easier. And you want to make sure you got this covered up so stuff like this doesn't fly inside the intake. So I'm gonna just go around, I think it's like 6 of them, take all these out. Okay, so we got it, got everything taken off except for the oil housing filter. Gonna see if we can look up in here, see if we see a lot of oil. I'm not getting too many good angles, but it's oil just like flooded down up in there. So I'm gonna take this out, clean it up, put all those gaskets on there, and hopefully that stops the oil leaks. Also, I forgot to mention, in case anyone, don't look at my video as a tutorial. I mainly wanted to get a video out about those clips, hard to get out. But I'm gonna use that reseal. You need to drain the thermostat. You need to drain the radiator. You gotta go down under here and get to the cap. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this reseal and I'm gonna spray these so they come out more easier, so I can get to that cap. Okay, so that's all the oil that was up under there. It definitely was leaking. Another bad news that I found out is I think I need to change my valve cover gaskets, because this one right here, where it was some oil on my spark plug, and it's gonna suck. But yeah, so now I'm gonna put the new one on. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Don't do many car videos anymore, but got an issue. Got an oil filter housing I got to replace in a 2017 Dodge Journey. You'll see some people on here saying, hey, just replace these O-rings at the bottom of the old one. Don't do that. Just change out the whole thing. You don't know if the leak is coming from here, like that plastic housing. You don't know if like this got cracked and it's coming from somewhere. You don't know if inside here's failed. So yeah, I would say just go ahead and replace the whole thing. Oil cap. And a suggestion is, when you go get your oil change, tell them do not touch your oil filter. change your own oil filter out. You don't know, like, you don't know what, who they got working in these places nowadays. Because what'll happen is they'll over tighten them and move these around and break the seals, and oftentimes too the seals probably just go out on their own, especially in the wintertime, because it's been real cold this winter where I'm at. So this is the radiator. So this does house coolants and oil. Like these little areas. I'm not sure which is which because I haven't taken my oven off yet. In a separate video, you'll see. I'm not gonna. There's plenty of videos on people taking them off, so I'm not gonna waste my time making another video. But basically, just talking to people about, not going with the cheaper parts. Don't go on Amazon. This right here is a Dorman, because you don't want to cheap out and then it goes out quick and you have to redo all this. And they also give you some seals for the intake, so make sure you clean your intake off and replace that while you got that all off. I would also suggest, if you haven't changed your spark plugs out while you got all this off, go ahead and change your spark plugs and coils, especially if you plan on keeping this. If you plan on keeping this your car for a certain amount of time, or even just to look out for the person that you're gonna like sell it to in the future. Oh man. All right, so I think these got different sizes. The main like dip right here, this is the part that's gonna go in first. You don't have to worry. Usually I tell people to put like a little piece of oil around there. You don't have to do that with these because you're not going to clean all the oil out of the housing area when you get it off. So no need. So I think these are different sizes. This one looks like it goes over here. This one right here. This one right here. Push those down in there. You don't want it to fall off when you flip it over. They do have different models, Gen 1 and Gen 2. Mine's is Gen 2 since it's 2017. And you'll notice because the bolt pattern will look different on the Gen 1. It's like it's straight. On Gen 2, they're like kind of curved. Gonna get these started by hand. And if you don't work on cars often, you're probably not gonna have the tool to take these off. So make sure you go get one, the attachment for your ratchet. I want to say it's a T8. So I'm just going to get these started by hand. Also, you're going to have to take the oil pressure and oil temp sensor off. Gives you some thread. You have to take it off the this one doesn't come with it, I don't think. Let me look. Yeah, so this one doesn't come with the oil temp and oil pressure sensor, so you're gonna have to take it off the old one, put some tape thread around there, and then get that in there nice and snug. So for this one, I do recommend putting some oil around here before you get it all the way in. So I'm not going to tighten that up yet. I'm going to put some oil around here, then get that in there. And that's about it. I'm going to take the old one off and slap this one on. Thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Even if you're not, this is mainly a gaming channel, so even if you're not like into games, I would appreciate the subscribe. You don't have to click the bell if you like neither, because I mainly post video game content. But if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for me and the like and comment. I appreciate it. Peace out. Alright, so a small mistake by me. These long screws, they don't go around the radiator. They go on the side. They drop down and actually get mounted into the block. So that was my fault. Like I said, I haven't taken the old one off yet. So those go over here. And I believe these are Torx 8 T8. Get all these started by hand. All right, and that's it.